Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. The opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know anything about the subject. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Your soul takes on the color of your thoughts. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Our anger and annoyance are more detrimental to us than the things themselves which anger or annoy us. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars, and see yourself running with them. Live your life as if you are ready to say goodbye to it at any moment, as if the time left for you were some pleasant surprise. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Never let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. A person's worth is measured by the worth of what he values. No one was ever injured by the truth, but he who persists in self-deception and ignorance is injured. Whoever values peace of mind and the health of the soul will live the best of all possible lives. Life is short. Do not forget about the most important things in our life, living for other people and doing good for them. Past and future have no power over you. Just the present, and even that can be minimized.